Is Bitdefender pathing failed due to the Bdstatreport Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. As we prepare the manual solution for Bdstatreport Library, feel free to use the suggested utility for comprehensive system maintenance. This is the Bdstatreport Library, the Bitdefender Status Reporting Library. It manages the unmanaged collection of localized protection status and threat detection telemetry. It facilitates the secure localized reporting of system health to the Bitdefender Central dashboard. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. Bdstatreport is a system-critical file that Windows manages internally. To repair it, run the sfc/scan, now command from an elevated command prompt, which will scan for and replace any corrupted OS-level components. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Bdstatreport library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup dash image space / restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. A vital technical reminder: modifying Bdstatreport Library DLL manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. If you're encountering repeated missing file alerts, the recommended suite linked below provides informational guidance for Bdstatreport Library. Thank you for trusting us with Bdstatreport Library Repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.